Alright. So I got the phone call. He told me we got a Honda Acty Town for sale now. I got all the details written down. As far as like what's been done, what's been changed, how much it costs, what it costs for the shipping and all of that. So I will put that in the comments. Let me just walk around this real quick. Let y'all know. Oh, the body's a little beat up. Got a few dents here and there. Got a couple dents there. But other than that, let's see what the inside's looking like. Ooh, clean. Oh, brown. Oh, this is way before the fame all day. This is his truck all day. You have the key? Okay. Oh, it's got a little clock, Bluetooth radio, 5-speed. Oh, and AC. What up? Are we looking 114,000 kilometers? 4-wheel drive. Cranks right up. Brown interior. Let me get to the other side. Got wheels, battery cover. Okay. You should paint that like this. That's what it should be. Do a little bit of body work, you know what I'm saying? That should look crazy. How's the AC? Ooh, frosting. So it's got the tack. It's got the clock, Bluetooth radio, AC, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive. I mean, what more could you ask for? The body's a little banged up, but most of the time these trucks are farm trucks and whatnot. So you get a little body work done, you got a nice truck if you're into the brown interior. But yeah, that's it, boys. That's all she wrote. Oh, let me get underneath. See what the underneath looking like. Oh yeah. No rush. No rush. Good. Oh, and it's got a Honda key. You know how I feel about them Honda keys. Okay. Cool. 95? Okay. What year is that one? Honda Acty?
97.
97? 98?
Yes.
Oh, Canada. Is it good? It's okay? Canada. That's you. Australia. That's you. Oh, and it's got little wheels and whatnot? Okay. Might have to have a conversation about that. Oh, it's got seat covers? Oh, it's got a steering wheel? Oh, we might have to have a conversation about this one. Yeah. Immediately after this video, this Honda Acty Town will be for sale. We out.